As we close out the day, it is not without a big bang because we have to do it that way every year. There are some amazing contributors to the open source community, and it is our pleasure every year to highlight some of them for you. So, as OSCON and O'Reilly, we get to honor dedication and innovation and leadership in open source. So let's go through the open source awards today.
I look forward to this every year.
Let's do it. Go, Rachel.
Okay, so forgive me, I have my papers. I want to make sure that we tell you everything about these folks. So the first person is Christopher Weber. He created GNU Media Goblin. He's an outspoken advocate of free software, very welcoming to newcomers. And it truly fills an empty space in the open source world. Media Goblin is a free software media publishing platform that anyone can run. It's a decentralized alternative to Flickr, YouTube, SoundCloud. So I'd like to welcome Christopher to the stage. Woo!
Thank you, Christopher. Thank you, thank you.
Next, we have Marina Zurahinskaya. She is a senior outreach specialist with Red Hat. She is the co-coordinator of Outreachy, which I hear lots of great things about. Helps people from groups that are underrepresented in free and open source software get involved, which we all really like. She works tirelessly, again, to welcome newcomers and provides outreach to improve gender diversity in open source communities. So, Marina, come on out.
Yay, Marina.
Marina. Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thank you, Marina.
Number 3, we have Sarah May. She's co-founder of Railsbridge, director of Ruby Central. Railsbridge provides workshops on Ruby to a diverse crowd of programmers. She organizes, I'm sure there's more than just her, but she organizes the annual Ruby conference and RailsConf, and which supports community growth in that area and provides vital infrastructure for the Ruby programming language, which is super cool. So let's welcome Sarah.
Sarah May.
Sarah.
Yay!
Congratulations. You're welcome.
Thank you, Sarah. Thank you.
One more here in person. Stefano Zeca Rowley. He's done amazing work as Debian's project leader for 3 years, which is pretty amazing. His leadership and thoughtfulness in the area of large-scale community work is frankly astonishing. He serves on the OSI Board of Directors and as a researcher at the iRail Open Source Competence Center. Welcome to the stage, Stefano.
Yay, Stefano.
Congratulations. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you.
We have one more person, Doug Cutting. He was not able to be here, but he founded the Apache Lucene project, co-founded Hadoop, you might have heard of that one, and deserves considerable credit for the massive and growing open big data ecosystem. So we have a video from him saying a few words.
I am incredibly honored to receive this award. I found my way to open source about 15 years ago. I'd written some code, and I wanted folks to use it, but I didn't have the stomach for sales. So I gave it away under an open source license. And that worked. People were able to use it. But moreover, they started contributing and making it better. And in the end, the open source community has given me far more than I've given it. And not just code, but jobs and, most importantly, friends. Open source is an amplifier. Its software gets better, people adopt it more readily, and it evolves to meet the user's needs, not those of the vendors. And as a whole, with open source, we get more functional over time. So I thank all of you for your contributions to the open source movement. I think we're on to something here.
Woohoo!